Top 5 most Army robots have been in deployment for a few years, and they're expected to be deployed in 2019. The United States Army is currently developing mule robots. The robots are expected to be deployed in 2019, and they'll be used to carry supplies and equipment for soldiers. The mule army robots will also be able to detect and disable explosives. Dogo. Dogo army robots are the most recent military technology innovation. They are self-contained and can be employed for a variety of tasks such as surveillance, search and rescue, and fighting. Dogo army robots are the culmination of years of military research and development. They're designed to be as self-contained as possible so that they can be employed in a variety of scenarios. The first batch of Dogo army robots has arrived in the Middle East, where they will be deployed for surveillance and search and rescue missions. Tank robots. The army is always looking for the best ways to protect its soldiers. One way that it is doing is by using these robots. These robots come in all shapes and sizes, but ones used in the army are tank robots. Tank robots are exactly what they sound like. They are robots that look like tanks. They are big and bulky, and they can be used to protect soldiers from harm. They can also be used to destroy things that are in the way. Tank robots are frequently utilized in battle. They can aid with the protection of soldiers from gunfire and other things. They can also assist in the destruction of obstacles on the road like buildings or automobiles. Tank robots are powerful and can inflict significant damage. Tank robots are built for combat and can inflict a lot of damage. They're formidable machines capable of annihilating anything in their path. They can be used for building, transportation, and warfare, among other things. They're capable of transporting people and equipment and can be used to build roads, bridges, and other constructions. They can also be employed as military weaponry. We have to talk approximately it. Robot dogs. Army robot dogs are the future of the military. They offer a wide range of capabilities that can help soldiers in various ways. Some of the benefits that robot dogs include are increased situational awareness. With the help of sensors and cameras, robot dogs can provide soldiers with increased situational awareness on the battlefield. This allows them to make better strategic decisions and keep themselves and their fellow soldiers safe. Reconnaissance. Robot dogs can be used for reconnaissance missions, which means that they can be sent ahead of human troops to gather information about the enemy's location and movements. Detection of explosives and landmines. Robot dogs can also be used for bomb and mine detection, which is a critical task for keeping soldiers safe from harm. Search and rescue. In a natural disaster or earth emergency, robot dogs can be used for search and rescue operations. They can go into dangerous and difficult to reach areas to look for survivors. Unmanned vehicles. Automated aerial vehicles, UAVs, at times known as robots, have been standing out as truly newsworthy as of late. They have a wide scope of regular citizen and military applications. The top military robots being used today will be the subject of this video. Reaper MQ-9. The MQ-9 Reaper is a large unmanned aerial vehicle UAV operated by the US Air Force. It's a hunter-killer drone that tracks down and kills targets. Global Hawk RQ-4. The RQ-4 Global Hawk is also used by the US Air Force. It's an unmanned aerial vehicle that can conduct reconnaissance and surveillance missions. The RQ-4 Global Hawk can fly at high altitudes for extended periods, allowing it to collect a large amount of data. The MQ-1 Predator. The MQ-1 Predator unmanned aerial vehicle UAV is an American remotely piloted aircraft system built by General Atomics Aeronautical Systems, GAASI. It was initially designed for surveillance, although it has been adapted to carry and fire missiles. RQ-7 Shadow. The RQ-7 Shadow automated airborne vehicle UAV is a little light and modest airplane intended for observation and reconnaissance missions. It depends on the economically accessible ScanEagle UAV, which is at present being used by the US Marine Corps. AAI Corporation planned the RQ-7 Shadow, which went into full rate creation in 2004. The RQ-11 Raven. The RQ-11 Raven unmanned aerial vehicles UAVs are small, hand-launched reconnaissance drones used by the United States military. These drones are famous for their low cost and small size, making them easy to operate and transport. The WASP-3. The WASP-3 is a new unmanned aerial vehicle UAV system from Northrop Grumman. It is designed for long-range reconnaissance and surveillance and can be used for various missions such as intelligence management and target acquisition (ISTAR), battle damage assessment (BDA), and convoy protection. The Desert Hawk 3. The Desert Hawk 3 is an unmanned aerial system UAS designed and manufactured by General Atomics Aeronautical Systems Inc. (GAASI), a leading U.S. manufacturer of unmanned aircraft systems UAS. It is used for surveillance, intelligence, and reconnaissance ISR missions by the United States Armed Forces and other government agencies. The Puma AE. Puma AE unmanned vehicles are a new type of aircraft designed for reconnaissance and surveillance. It is carried by a larger aircraft, such as a helicopter. It can be used for different purposes, including battlefield surveillance, target acquisition, and damage assessment. The Coyote UAV. Coyote UAV is a leading unmanned aerial vehicle manufacturer with over a decade of experience in the industry. Coyote has emerged as a global leader in designing and manufacturing reliable and affordable unmanned systems. Coyote's unmanned aerial vehicles are used by militaries and law enforcement agencies worldwide for surveillance, reconnaissance, and precision strike missions. Military robots. Military robots are making a significant impact on the battlefield. They are saving troops' lives by performing two dangerous tasks for humans. Here are the top army robots in operation today. PackBot. This robot is used for reconnaissance and bomb disposal. It can be fitted with different sensors to detect and disable explosives. MarkBot. This tiny robot is used to identify and destroy improvised explosive devices, IEDs. Talon. This robot is designed for reconnaissance and combat operations. It can be outfitted with weapons and armor to protect it from enemy fire. Griffin. This robot is used for transport and support operations. It can be equipped with weapons and armor to protect it from enemy fire. Hornet. This unmanned aerial vehicle is used for surveillance and support operations at Wildcat. This vehicle is used for surveillance and support operations. It can be armed with missiles to destroy enemy targets. Like, share, and subscribe now.